Ari here with Chuck with his 55 Chevrolet. This is really cool Patina truck, big window. He's going to tell you a little bit about it.
All right, thanks for having me. So this is my 1955 Chevy pickup. It's been frame swapped, body swapped, so it's on a full GSI chassis, running air suspension. Put a new heartbeat in it, or new heart. It's got an LS3 Corvette motor, great motor, with 465 automatic transmission. It has AC. It's a unique model because it has the big back window. It has a lot of character, we like to call it. It's actually called Patina, so just natural wear of weather and metal over time. We polished it, so this is actually, it's not clear coated. All this shine is just polished paint, wet sanded and polished. The wheels are one off. My design, I drew them. We had our friends over in Alabama, Greening Auto Company, cut the wheel for us. So those are the only ones you'll see like this. It has electric charging over here. You can charge, it's almost like a Tesla. You charge your battery from there.
Oh, that's cool.
What else can I tell you? Ride height is about 3.5 inches. We drove it from Miami to Texas, which is over 3,000 miles.
Wow.
Up and back, no issue.
And right now it's on the ground.
And it's on the ground. So this
we like on the ground.
So it bottoms out on itself, on its suspension, not on the chassis itself. The chassis is white powder coated.
Oh wow.
And we like to cruise in it. We drove it here and it doesn't see a trailer very often.
That's cool. That's what we like to hear.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.